Check this video to learn how to troubleshoot Android crash problems. Solution 1. Force restart Android. Step 1. Long press the power button until you see the power off or restart options. Step 2. Click on the restart option to reboot the device. A simple restart forces the phone's hardware to boot up. Solution 2. Remove accessories. External accessories like chargers, Bluetooth devices, or SD cards can cause device crashes or freezes. Disconnecting these accessories may resolve the issue and restore normal device function. Solution 3. Check the internet connection. Unstable internet connections can cause apps and the system to freeze. Ensure a stable connection by checking Wi-Fi or mobile data, and try switching between the two to resolve the issue. Solution 4. Boot into safe mode. Booting into safe mode can help identify if a third-party app is causing the crash. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. When the power options appear, long press power off until you see safe mode. Step 3. Tap safe mode to reboot the device. If your device works fine in safe mode, the issue is likely caused by a third-party app. Solution 5. Clear the app cache. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to Apps and select the app that's causing the issue. Step 3. Tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Solution 6. Force stop the app. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Next, select the Apps option. Step 3. Choose the application to force stop. Step 4. Click on the Force Stop option. Solution 7. Uninstall and install the crashing app. When an app keeps crashing despite force stopping, it may be time to uninstall and reinstall it. This can help fix any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the issue. Step 1. Press the application icon for a few seconds on the device's home screen. Step 2. Choose Uninstall from the options. Wait for some time for the app to uninstall. You can also open the Settings app and go to Apps. Find the app, tap it, and select Uninstall. Step 3. Head to the Play Store and reinstall the application. Solution 8. Keep Android phone updated. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. Step 2. Choose System, then click on the System Update option. Step 3. Click on the Download and Install button. Step 4. If there is an update, install it on your device, and it'll restart once you finish updating. Solution 9. Using Android Repair. If previous solutions fail, use dedicated repair tools like Android Repair to fix system crashes. This tool offers a one-click repair for a wide range of Android system issues, from basic to advanced. Step 1. Launch Android Repair on your computer and connect your crashed Android phone to the PC using a USB cable. Select System Repair. Choose Android as your device type, then click Android Repair Now to begin. Step 2. When prompted, select your device brand and click Start. You will then be taken to a new screen where you need to click Start again to initiate the repair process. Step 3. On the next screen, your phone information will be displayed. Carefully select the correct brand, model, device name, country, and carrier. Confirm the warning message, and click Next to proceed. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into download mode. The steps may vary depending on your device model. Step 5. Once your phone enters download mode, click Next. The program will then download the required firmware package and automatically repair your Android system. Solution 10. Factory Reset Android. If all else fails, performing a factory reset might be the last resort. However, this will erase all your data, so make sure to back up important files first. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to System, then select Reset. Step 3. Tap on Factory Data Reset and confirm.